So if you've been following these videos along in order, you'll know that I've been having a problem with first paragraphs in eBooks not appearing at the margin in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This seems to have happened since the most recent update, even if I'm using the completely standard format without having made any alterations to it at all. But it doesn't happen in all my projects, and that's what gave me the clue to a solution. What was the difference? Well, when I originally created this series, I used the option to follow the editor formatting, and I had all the first paragraphs aligned at the margin using a style. However, when I set up the new eBook format in Scrivener 3, I didn't specify editor formatting, but it took the editor formatting for the first paragraphs anyway. So format your first paragraph at the margin, then go into Styles and the Styles panel. Create a new format, make it a paragraph style only, and uncheck the font family and font size boxes. Save the style and apply it to all your first paragraphs that you want at the margin. This works for standard section layouts and with the new first letter span function too. Next time I'll be talking about run-in head titles.